there was a realization that if you turn up with a robot and say, off you go and use that, the people on the shop floor that will be working with the robot are just going to say, well, no, I like how I'm doing it now. So there's a lot of work from a change management point of view, helping them understand the vision, why you need to do it, what their role is going to be like after adopting the technology, because that's often quite a key one. If they're skilled at a certain task, they're obviously going to wonder, well, what's my job going to entail now we've got software or a robot to do some of that work. So part of it is working through the process and the project and saying, right, it's going to automate this element of your task, but the rest of your job will be the more interesting worlds, or you'll be able to engage with customers more, or you'll be able to solve other problems and do more value-add tasks.